Watch y'all something. Watch this. They won't know what to do because it's got a lid on it. Oh, look. What is that? What is that? It's actually, it's spaghetti. There's nothing wrong with it. I just, I get sick of it. I made too much and I just don't feel like having it around for a couple of days. And I gave them a bunch of meatballs already. Okay. All right. Okay. I won't. All right. There you go. Go for it. There's some meatballs in there, y'all. Meat sauce and meatballs. That one goes for a noodle. Look at that. Y'all go for the meatballs. They're in there. That one's like, those are like, oh, that one got a meatball. Sure did. That one got another noodle. Crazy? You're crazy. Anyway, they'll polish that off. They'll eat noodle. They'll lick the thing clean, trust me. They'll eat all those noodles. There ain't that much. There's a lot of meat sauce and a few meatballs. Hey, baby. Anyway, y'all have at it.